welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, as you can see, we're going to be doing some savings challenges. So I'm like 2 weeks behind, so we'll be doing my saving challenges for the week of November the 4th and the week of November the 11th. So those are the 2 paydays that my husband and I got paid on. And so as I do each challenge, I'll insert on the screen how much we save for each week. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to start off with my change. And we have a total of $6.38 that was accumulated over 2 weeks. So yeah, like I said, I'll insert on the screen what was saved for week 1 and what was saved for week 2. And as always, anything that I show in my video will be down below in my Amazon storefront. So we're going to go ahead and add this change to our coin organizer. When I decide where I'm going to put it, I'm going to have to go this way. Well, I have to do it like this. The organizer will be back in frame shortly. So yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I always stress in my videos that saving your change is a great way to be disciplined, because you do it on a regular basis, you know, weekly, monthly, however you decide to do it. It's just a great way to get you disciplined to save money, and it's an easy way. Because especially if you do use cash, you will have some change. But I realize it's challenging if you don't use cash. I was not someone who used cash before starting this cash envelope system, but what I was doing was not working, so I decided to try to start using cash, and I'm glad I did. But I'm eventually going to go to all digital at some point. I'll probably always have cash for my weekly spending, though. Looks like we're going to be able to wrap some coins, some pennies and quarters. So let me go ahead and add these, and then I'll wrap those and come back. So yeah, like I always say, saving your coin is just an easy way to develop discipline. And it teaches you to be consistent too, because you do it on a regular basis, as I mentioned earlier. So let me roll up the coins and I'll be back. So we were able to wrap up $10.50. So I'll add this to my coin challenge. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, the collecting the coins helps you with discipline. So as you know, I collect the half dollars and the $1 bills. I forgot the name of them. I put it on screen. Each detail has told me twice what these are. I keep forgetting. But yeah. Focus. So yeah, I have 2 of those. So yeah, that's the coin challenge. The easiest way to save money, in my opinion. The next challenge we're going to do is the $1 challenge. And the first week of November, I was able to save $3 out of my cash envelopes and whatever my husband gave me. And the second week, I got like $15, I think. Let me see what the total is. The total is $16. So I did $3 one week and $13 the next week. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm sorry. I had $3 the first week and $16 the second week. A total of $19. Yay! So we're going to put these in here. So I came up with a different way to add this money, so it'll continue to be in a standing position. Let's see if this is going to work. Yay! So yeah, that's the looking good, looking good. So yeah, so that is the $1 challenge. And next we're going to do the zero out challenge. Week 1 of November, we zeroed out our bank account with the last 4 digits, which was $31.03. That money has been added to my zero out challenge. And the second week, November the 11th, we zeroed our balance out using the last 3 digits of our checking account. And that was $6.54. Yay! So yeah, that's the zero out challenge. And now we're going to do some investing. Now that we save a little money, we have to invest some. So this is $1 saving challenge with Mommy Trader. I've already added the $30 for the month of November. So we're going to go ahead and color to the 11th of the month. Do you like to trace your lines first and then color on the inside like me? Or do you just color? That's it. We're colored into the 11th. And last but not least, we got to do our 20K challenge. Last week we were able to add $84 last week. Do $84 November, the first week in November, and then we're gonna do the 88 and the 92 for November the 11th. So $84 for the first week and a total of $180 for the second week, which is a total of $264. That puts us almost at $1,900. So yeah, let me find my marker and I'll be back. All right, so we're gonna mark those two out. 84 and 88 and 92. So we slowly coming along. So you know I got other things going on, trying to pay my mortgage off, helping with my grandkids, living life. So yeah. So that's why I didn't put a time on this 20K challenge. So we're gonna put that over to the side. And you know I'm also tracking it using this cute little tracker that I picked up from Monet's Money, and one of my beautiful longtime supporters left me a comment by using this red, which I really appreciate. I really thought about that when I actually used the red, but I was thinking it's just tracking, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. But I don't want to stunt my growth, so I'm gonna take my accountant's friend advice, and I'm gonna change this red out to green. How about that? So yeah, I don't mind helpful comments, especially when it's somebody that's been invested in your journey for a while. So yeah, let's change that out to green and I'll be back. Yeah, let's change this out. So thank you, CJ, for the mention. I appreciate it. Let's get this red off of here because it might slow our growth down. And we're going to be up to about 8%. This red is stubborn. It don't even want to come out, but you're going to come out, buddy, because we're trying to get to 20K. We got some gold. We got some generational wealth to be building. We got some investing to do. There we go. We're going to let that dry, and then we're going to do green. So, yeah. All right. So, right now, we're going to go to 8%, which is this line right here. And we're going to color in green. So we are at 1907 with our 20K challenge, which is almost 10%. So yeah, I'm excited. You know, every month is different. You never know how much you're gonna be able to save. Just get started, because you'll never be able to save if you don't get started. Okay, that looks better. That's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.